Hello students, I am starting a new topic, power of the lens. It is the measure of degree of convergence or divergence of the light rays falling on it. It depends on the focal length of the lens. It is reciprocal of the focal length of the lens. Power P is equal to 1 upon F, but focal length should be in meters. SI unit of power is diopter. Define one diopter. When focal length of a lens is 1 meter, then its power will be 1 diopter. Power is positive for convex lens and power is negative for concave lens because focal length of convex lens is positive, so its power is always positive. Because focal length of concave lens was negative, so power is also negative. It is very important topic for board exams. Let us do some numericals based on this topic. A lens has a focal length 18 centimeter. What is its power and identify the lens? First of all, focal length is positive, so lens is convex. And formula of power is 1 upon focal length. It is also given in meters. So power will be equal to 1 upon 18 because F is given to us 18 meters. It will be 18 0.06 diopter. A lens power will be positive and D shows diopter. Second question, a lens has focal length minus 20 centimeter. You can identify the lens. Lens is power, focal length is negative, it means a concave lens. And power will be 1 upon F. F is given to you minus 20. So power will be 1 upon minus 20. It means 0.05 and it will be negative. Power is negative, it means lens is concave. Power is positive, means lens is convex. Power of a lens is plus 10D. What will be the focal length? Power is given to you 10D. Is 10D. Focal length will be equal to 1 upon P. Reverse of this. So focal length will be 1 upon P. 1 upon 10 means 0.1. It will be positive because it is plus 10D. Positive, it means lens is convex. Next, focal length of a convex lens is 10 centimeter. What will be the power? Focal length is given to you 10 centimeter. It means 10 upon 100 meter. You want to calculate or without calculating you can solve it. Then power will be equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon 10 upon 100. It means it is equal to 100 upon 10. Power will be plus 10D. In this way you can solve the question. Another question is two lenses given to you. A lens has power plus 2D and a B lens has power minus. First of all we will calculate first lens. Power is plus, it means lens is convex and focal length will be 1 upon 2, it is 0.5 meter plus 0.5 meter. And in case of B lens, power is given to you minus 4D. Minus shows it is a concave lens and focal length will be equal to 1 upon minus 4 means minus 0.25 meter. In this way we can solve these questions. I had completed all the topics in the chapter light, reflection and refraction. That's all for today's topics. Thank you students.